Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this quick video, I will show you how to connect your domain from domain.com to your Shopify store in just a few easy steps. First of all, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Click on Settings from the left side, then click Domains and choose Connect Existing Domain. Shopify will give you DNS records to update at domain.com. A record point to Shopify 23.227.38.65. CNAME point www to shops.myshopify.com. Copy the A record and CNAME. You will need this in domain.com's DNS settings. Now go back to your web browser, open domains website or domain.com website, then log into your account or create an account with your email. Click login. Now click get started for new account and select the domain name. Then click search. Now continue add to cart. Go back to domains.com dashboard. Go to manage domains, click on your domain, then head to DNS or and name servers. Find your current A record and edit it to 23.227.38.65. Then scroll to the CNAME section, find www and set it to shops.myshopify.com. Once you have updated your DNS settings, go back to Shopify and click Verify Connection. DNS updates can take up to 48 hours, but usually it works within minutes. After it's connected, set your custom domain as the primary one so it appears in your URL instead of the default My Shopify link. Just click Set as primary. To next to your domain. Now open a new tab and type your domain. If it loads, your Shopify store converts. It's working. And that's it. You have connected your domain.com domain to Shopify. If this helped, leave a like, subscribe, and for more quick Shopify tips. Thanks for watching.